going back to the story of when we had to let go of 3/4 our sales team, a lot of it had to do with they could barely keep up with the leads today, let alone, keep up with leads from the past to follow up with. And where are they? As you continue to grow and do business over time, your leads and follow-up continue to stack. And it is natural in human behavior to just not be able to keep up with where all this stuff is. So you need to allow technology to do that job for them. And so it's not about just implementing, let's talk about smartphone. When I always tell people, it's not about just having smartphone. It's about how you use and set up smartphone that defines how successful you will become. So the biggest thing we do in our training is we talk about the No Lead Left Behind campaign. And it's how we set up our power dialers and our views within our CRM to allow our phone system now to not leave a lead left behind is what I think defines our ability and success to follow up. So that's why 56% of our deals actually come from what we call a follow-up specialist role passed on live to a closer because of the way in which that we set up our power dialer features. Now, before we had those features and abilities in technology, it was human nature that one, someone can only call so many people in a day. And then two, they're like, oh shit, how do I prioritize this? Where are they at in the system? All that. As the owner of the company, you should make sure that both your CRM and your phone system are communicating in a way that allows you to leave no lead left behind. And so it's all about how it's set up, not just having the technology.